Welcome to another time with the Enthusiastic Tutor. And in today's tutorial, we'll be looking at the course matrix. What is matrix? Matrix is a set of numbers arranged in rows and columns. This set of numbers are arranged in rows and columns in order to form a set of rectangle. The set of these numbers are called elements. The set of numbers arranged in form of an array are called elements. The set of these numbers arranged are called elements or entries. Matrix has a wide range of application in engineering, economics, physics, and so lot more. Economics, mathematics, physics, statistics as well as various branches of mathematics. With this being said, let's go into the types of matrices.
Example: matrix is a rectangular array of numbers guided by specific rows. Matrix is made up of rows and columns. Matrix observes what we call elements. Elements are the array of numbers that makes up a matrix. So, row, we have column. I'll be using A to denote the element. So this is row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3, row 1, column 4, row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2, row 2, column 3, row 2, column 4, row 3, column 1, row 3, column 2, row 3, column 3, row 3, column 4. So, as you can see, this is a example. We have row and we have column. I'll denote the elements with the alphabet A. Row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3. I move to the next row, row 2, colon 1, row 2, colon 2, row 2, colon 3. I move to the next row, row 3, colon 1, row 3, colon 2, row 3, colon 3. So, this is a matrix classified as 3 by 3 dimension. The dimension of this matrix is 3 by 3. How do I mean 3 by 3? We have 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows. 3 column, 3 rows. That makes the dimension 3 by 3 matrix. We'll be taking another example. I won't notify the row and column anymore since it's no longer news to us. So we'll just go by types of matrix by dimension. So I'll be using number to denote the element now. So I have 5. I have 5. I have 4. I have 3. I have 5. I have 0. I have 1. I have 2. I have 4. I have 5. I have 6. I have 7. I have 8. I have 9. I have 8. I have 7. So, how do I identify row and columns in this dimension? And how do I identify what dimension of matrix is this? To know this, we have to break this down. So 5 here is row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3, row 1, column 4. We have row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2, row 2, column 3, row 2, column 4. We have row 3, column 1, row 3, column 2, row 3, column 3, row 3, column 4. We have row 4, column 1, row 4, column 2, row 4, column 3, row 4, column 4. This matrix, how do we know what dimension of matrix it is? As you can see, we have 4 rows, 4 column, 4 column, and 4 row. 4 column, and we have 4 row. So it's a 4 by 4 matrix. 4 by 4 matrix. So let's take another example. We have 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. We have 7, 5, 2, 3, 8, 9. and we have 4, 2, 1, 8, 1, 3. What dimension of matrix is this? To get the dimension of this matrix, then we have to break it down by saying row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3. We have row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2, row 2, column 3, row 3, column 1, row 3, column 2, row 3, column 3. We have row 4, column 1, row 4, column 2, row 4, column 3, row 4, column, this is row 5, I beg your pardon, row 5, column 1, row 5, column 2, row 5, column 3. We have row 6, column 1, row 6, column 2, row 6, column 3. So to get the dimension of this matrix, then we may say this is column 6 columns, and we have 3 rows. So it's a 6 by 3 dimension. So I believe this is clear enough. This is clear enough. So we know the dimension of matrix and how to solve the dimension of matrix. In cases whereby you come across a question as this, take this final example. We have 8, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 8, 6, 7, B, B, C, A, and D, 4, C. To get the dimension of this matrix, then we have to break it further. We have row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3, row 1, column 4, row 1, column 5, row 1, column 6. In order not to waste so much of your time on this, just get row 2, column 1, row 3, column 1. To save time, you can just do it this way. You don't have to do the whole thing. So the dimension of this matrix is column is 3 and row is by 6. So we have dimension. So I believe with all this, we are good, and if we come across questions like this, we'll be able to solve and tackle them. If you have further questions about the dimension of matrix, please drop it in the comments section below. Also ensure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.